how to calculate net force from the free body diagram. The diagram showing all the forces acting on an object at a particular instant is called free body diagram. Now here we are doing all the sum of the vector forces acting on the object which is in a non-uniform motion. Now let's take a car. It will be moving in the non-uniform speed. Okay, sometimes it is slow, sometimes it is fast. Okay, what are the forces acting on the car? What are the forces acting on the car? Capital F is the force acting on the car which is applied by the engine. Okay, and this force is always pushing the object towards a some direction. That is, it is always pushing the car to go in front. Okay, and the resistance force. What is the resistance force? The friction applied by the road is small f. Okay, here what is the friction doing? It is trying to stop a car. Okay, whenever we want to stop a car, we will be applying brake, and that brake will be done on with the help of the friction only. Okay, when we apply brake, then a friction is created and a resistance is been created, and then the car will stop. Okay, now what are normal forces here? N1 and N2 are the normal forces here, and one more force is also acting, that is gravitational force, that is Fg, that is equal to W. Fg is equal to W means weight of the car. Okay, now we are taking a coordinate system. What is a coordinate system? Means it has both x-axis and y-axis. Okay, now let us see the x-axis coordinate system. Now we are seeing the net force along the x-axis or direction which is horizontal. Okay, the net force along the x-axis is horizontal. Okay, we are taking only the horizontally applied net forces. We are taking only horizontally applied net forces. So F net of x is equal to, now small f is the friction, no, friction applied by the road. So that is always opposite direction, ante car ni munduku vellakunda stop cheyadaniki. That's why small f minus means opposite. Because it is acting as an opposite force, we are keeping minus because it is making to stop the car. Now what is capital F? Capital F is the force of the engine applied by the engine. Okay, so when we want to calculate the F net of x-axis, so we are calculating the horizontal forces acting on the car. So we have to do the F, small f minus capital F. Then we are getting the horizontally applied forces, net force we are getting. Now net force along y-axis or direction. Okay, so F net acting on the y-axis is equal to N1 plus N2, because if N1 and N2, if both the tires combine, only the car is moving in front, so it is in a positive way. So it is not opposing, no. Both the cars should function properly and it should help each other so that the car moves in front. Okay, that is why we are doing N1 plus N2, and then we have to minus the gravitational force. Okay, why? Because gravitational force will always want to stop the car. Okay, that's why we are minusing the W, gravitational force. Okay, then we can find the F net acting on the y-axis which is vertically. Okay, vertically acting forces. Now N1 plus N2 and the Fg is equal to W is the vertically acting forces. Okay, like this we have to calculate the net force of the free body diagram. In page number 17, find the net force of the following diagrams. Now what we have to do? So what is acting positive? What is acting negative? That one you have to understand the concept and then do that problem. Okay.